in this question, it is told that if three players A, B, C are there, then the one who draws first spade will win a prize. So, probability of A winning the match is he will draw it in first attempt, he will win, or he will not draw and his partner will also not draw, and then he will draw. Then this is similar. He will not draw, his partner will not draw, and again if he is not able to draw, and then his partner should not be able to draw, and then he should be drawing. So this is going up to infinity. So what it is happening is that he is drawing plus they are not drawing, and then he is drawing. So this term is getting repeated. This is PSA, this is PSA dash intersection SB dash intersection SC dash, this is whole square. So this will keep going, okay? So this will become this will become Q to the power 4. Now, probability of getting a spade is what? 13 upon 52, which is 1 by 4. And probability of not getting a spade is these are the probability of not getting spade is 39 by 52, which is 1 by 4. Now, probability of S getting spade is what? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 dot. This is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 whole cube plus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 whole 6. This will go up to infinity. So the value will be 1 by 4 upon 1 minus r. R is 3 by 4 whole cube, which will equals to 9 upon 64. So this is 16. 64 minus 9 is 55, isn't it? So this is the answer. Check the calculation. Now, so similarly, PSB winning. So it is PSA not winning intersection PSB winning. This is one match. Second, PSA not winning, PSB not winning, PSC not winning, again PSA not winning, and we have PSB winning. So this will go up to infinity. So these are coming in the form of 3 by 4 into so this is 3 by 4 into 1 by 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 by 4 whole cube into 1 by 4. This is whole 4 plus 3 by 4 whole 7 dot 1 by 4. This will go up to infinity. So the value of sum is 3 upon 16 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 whole cube equals to, it is 64. This is 55. Okay, it is 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. So we have 27. This is 27. So 64 minus 27 is 47. No, 37. And similarly here, we have 64 minus 27 is 37 upon 64. 64 will go up. It will become 12 upon. And PC, PS of winning is 1 minus 16 upon 37 minus 12 upon 37, which is 9 upon 37. So this is the answer.